everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and support. And if you are a newbie, thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to always be the first to receive notification to my latest video. Alright, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use aloe vera and avocado to improve hair growth, soften thick natural hair, and also improve the overall health of your hair. Aloe vera contains an enzyme called proteolytic enzyme, and this enzyme helps to repair dead skin on the scalp. Aloe vera also promotes hair growth. Aloe vera prevents itching on the scalp and reduces dandruff. So you want to add this to your hair as much as possible so that it will benefit your hair. So the next thing we're going to be adding also is avocado. Avocado contains biotin. If you take some hair supplements, you will see that they add biotin to these supplements. Biotin helps to improve hair growth. It also helps to improve nails and beautifies the skin. So we're using aloe vera and avocado, and I just added hair conditioner to the mixture. So you can use any hair conditioner of your choice. You just blend the whole mixture and sieve it. So you want to sieve it so it doesn't leave any particle on your hair. So this is my toddler. I'm going to be applying the whole mixture on my toddler's hair. We just took off a hair of about 3 weeks. Yes, and so I'm going to be showing you how I'm using that mixture to improve her hair. So I've just loosened the hair, and I'm going to be applying the whole mixture stepwisely on her hair. So you want to do this once a week, or as soon as you loosen your hair, you're about to wash your hair. You can use hair conditioner of your choice. I don't really use shampoo too much. Most times I just use maybe shampoo once in a while, maybe once in 3 months. So I use conditioner, almost every now and then. So you want to add the avocado and aloe vera to your conditioner, not leave-in conditioner, but conditioner to, you apply on your hair to condition your hair. So adding these two ingredients, aloe vera and avocado, will improve the texture of your hair. It will increase hair growth by adding biotin to your hair, and this biotin helps to improve hair growth. So I am completely massaging my toddler's hair. Note that the conditioner you use is not the leave-in conditioner, but the conditioner you use normally to condition your hair. Like you condition your hair, you leave for about a few minutes before you wash it off. So you just want to add these two important ingredients to it, the aloe vera and the avocado, to boost the overall growth of your hair. Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
So the next thing here, I'm going to be showing you how to wash the ingredients, the mixture, out of the hair. So you just leave for a few minutes. I think I left for about 15 or 20 minutes on my toddler's hair, and I just rinse off with water. Yes, just water. And while I'm washing it, I just run my fingers through her hair to make sure that the whole mixture is completely washed off her hair. Look at that. The texture is awesome. Look at that. Alright, you want to make sure you completely wash it so that the scalp will be very clean. Look at it. The scalp is clean, neat. Alright, the next thing I'm going to be showing you is how to condition this hair. So I'm going to be using Cantu leave-in conditioning cream. Yes, this Cantu conditioning cream works for almost all hair types, especially if you're dealing with a toddler. Their scalp is very mild. So you want to treat their scalp very gently. So I'm completely massaging the leave-in conditioner onto her hair. Yes, so I want to make sure it's completely absorbed on our hair. You gently massage the conditioner on the hair. All right, everyone, continue to watch. But the next thing I'm going to be applying here is a moisturizer. So you want to apply a moisturizer to keep the moisture lock in the hair and the scalp. So you can use any moisturizer of your choice. You can use any oil. So I'm using this one. All right, so you want to apply it generously on the hair. All right, everyone. I tell you, the texture of that hair feels good. It feels awesome. So I'm going to be giving it a very good combing. Alright, everyone, the next thing here, I'm going to be showing you how to style a toddler's hair, which is like an extra bonus to this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Share my content with your friends, your families, your loved ones, or your friends or families with kids. Encourage them to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. I hope you love the video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply accordingly. Thank you so much for watching, and please watch to the end, and see you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.